If you've ever been inside an ICU, you've heard it. The beeping, the chaos, the overwhelming noise. One patient can trigger up to 800 alarms per day, and up to 99% of those require no clinical intervention. Nurses are drowning in noise. 81% report alarm fatigue. 60% report burnout. Hospitals are losing millions to attrition. CalmWave transforms alarm chaos into clarity. Using math and statistics to reduce noise, prioritize what matters, and give nurses back 2 hours per shift. Built by experts in IT, healthcare, and aerospace, CalmWave is transparent AI, explainable, auditable, and already improving safety and reducing workloads in ICUs. The status quo is unsustainable. CalmWave is creating the calm ICU.